Shalom, shalom, and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. My Hebrew name is Michael ben Moshe Akiva, and in today's video, I've got a very special review for you guys. Now, everything that I just said there might be a little bit weird to you guys, but that's because I've never actually talked about the fact that I grew up in a Jewish family. So this review holds a special place in my heart because these beard products came from Israel. The owner's name is Eitan ben Avraham, and it's actually kind of funny how this whole thing came to be because literally Dan C. Bearded did a review on Aleph Mill, and I just commented on the video and said, partially in Hebrew with, of course, Greek letters. You know, it's nice to see, a fellow Jew making some beard products. And then Eitan reached out to me and offered to send me some products. I then offered to send him some money. And Eitan is such a great guy with a great heart. He actually suggested that instead of sending him money, that I should just give it to tzedakah, which is the Hebrew word for charity. So I already have a plan for that. I'm going to end up just giving a random homeless person $50. I'm going to be downtown for an Oilers hockey game on New Year's Eve. And there's not going to be a video of me doing that or anything. That's not what this is about. I just wanted to let you guys know what a great guy Eitan is, and he's just all about doing the right thing, being a God-fearing man, and just what a great heart. I don't know what else to say about the guy. I spent 2 hours on the phone with him. We talked a lot about Jewish principles. We talked a lot about what role beards play in the Jewish religion. Having a beard as a Jew is something that comes from more of like a religious type thing. There is a line in the Old Testament in Leviticus chapter 19 verse 27 that reads, haven't read Hebrew in a little while here, but we're going to try it anyway. Lo takfu peyat roshechem velo tashchit et peyat zekanecha, which translates to, "Ye shall not round the corners of your heads, neither shalt thou mar the corners of thy beard." There's a lot of cool different interpretations as well as to why we grow our beards. There's a lot of things outside of the Old Testament. The Mishnah and the Gemara, which compromises the Talmud, teaches a lot of things about the oral Torah or the oral Bible that was handed down from mouth to mouth. The Mishnah is basically the written oral portion that was handed down, and the Gemara is the rabbis kind of hashing out their opinions on what that oral written portion of the Bible truly means. So one of the reasons why we grow our beards is, there's a lot of things that we do that, that we can't control. Many of us know what's right in our minds, but then we end up not being able to, then we end up doing something because we just can't help ourselves but do that thing because, we're human. So the beard kind of bridges that gap between the mind and the heart and, kind of guides you to do the right thing. So all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open this box and see what we have inside. It did come from Israel, so the box is a little bit mangled, but that's because people like to throw boxes around, and so between Israel and Canada, who knows how many different delivery people decided to just throw this box around. So hopefully everything in here is good. And my girlfriend just decided to let her bath water go, so we're gonna wait for that water to finish draining from the tub, and I'll be right back. All right, I think she's done now. So inside we see here, looks like we've got a very nice box of goodies. So he's got a little personalized note here for me that says, "Shalom Michael, may Hashem bless you with physical and spiritual success on every level. Enjoy your Aleph Mill. Blessings, Eitan." And we're going to, of course, keep this with all the rest of the goodies that I keep. And then we've got this little booklet in Hebrew. My Hebrew without the vowels is not very good, so I'm guessing this is some sort of a prayer book. Yeah, there's a word in here, tefillah, which means prayer. So yeah, it looks like this is definitely a little prayer book. So thank you for that. And then we've got a little Aleph Mill coaster over here. This will be perfect for my morning coffees. And then a little Aleph Mill sticker. So this is going to go right on the laptop at work. I actually just got a new laptop at work, so it's time to put some fresh stickers on there. And then another thing in here, oh my God. Okay, so He bought me some chocolate. You probably saw it before I did because I didn't really look in the box. I didn't really look in the box before I raised it to the camera there, but he sent me some chocolates from Israel. That is so freaking cool. I cannot wait to share that with my family. Man, that is Eitan. You're the man. Thank you so much. This is really great. I've actually never. I'm gonna tear up. Okay, I've actually never been to Israel. I've always wanted to go, but I never had the chance to yet, and it just feels like this is a part of. Now I have a part of Israel with me. So thank you for that. Okay, I think I'm better now. So let's go through the rest of this stuff here and have a look. So it looks like he sent me 3 bombs. So we're gonna go through these and just do kind of a first impression on the scent and just kind of tell you guys what I think here. I'm gonna wear these products for a week and then we're going to dig a little bit deeper into the website. We're going to dig a little deeper into what Aleph Mail is all about and why he created this company. We're going to go into the pricing, the cost for shipping and everything like that, the feel and beard, all that good stuff. But right now today is just going to be kind of that first impression. So this one is a beard balm. I'm just going to show you guys the emblem there again. And then hopefully that shows up for you. And then just kind of the ingredients on the back. So now I'll read them out as well. So this is the Havdalah Beard Balm, handmade in Israel. Ingredients are coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, olive oil, vitamin E oil, essential oils of cinnamon and clove. So yeah, this Havdalah Beard Balm, basically what Havdalah is, it is the end of the Shabbos, or the Jewish equivalent to the Christian Sunday, the day of rest, and the Havdalah ceremony is basically what ushers in the new week and just kind of like a final celebration of the end of Shabbos and ushering the new week. And we do that by lighting some candles and saying a prayer. Havdalah, I'm curious to see if this is gonna be sort of some kind of like a scented candle type scent. So even though I just read the ingredients, I'm just sorry guys, I'm just not myself in this review. I'm just so blown away by the whole. I'm not gonna start crying again. I'm just blown away by this whole experience, and it just feels so close to home for me. Definitely smelling that cinnamon, definitely smelling that clove. I am going to put a little bit in. I just want to try. I just want to show you guys what the consistency is, and I just want to see what it feels like in beard. So it looks like it comes out very easily. It is kind of moving around in the tin, but that's okay. I might use a pick going forward. But it looks like it's coming out pretty easy, and you can see it. It's gonna melt down real quick. Like I'm just gonna do a couple of these. Already that much, a little bit more, and you can see that it's really melted down. Put some in the beard. That cinnamon is definitely really coming through. I'm not usually a cinnamon guy, but it's not like super overbearing. That's the thing for me. Cinnamon tends to be just a little bit too spicy for me, but this is more on the lighter side of a cinnamon scent. So this one, I think I'm definitely gonna try that out in the long term. So this one is the Boker Tov, which is good morning in Hebrew. And what this one has for ingredients is coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and the essential oils for this one is lavender, cedarwood, and bergamot. So we're just gonna give that a whiff. I'm not gonna put more in and mix all this goodness together, but oh wow, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what's coming through here? Okay, it's definitely the I actually don't know what bergamot smells like, but the lavender and the cedar is mixing very nicely in here. It's a very, if you don't like the scent of lavender, this is a very light lavender. It's more of that cedar that's coming through. And this smells really good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this in beard. This is gonna be really nice to wear. So now let's check out the third one. And this one is the Sukkot beard balm. Sukkot is another Jewish holiday that we celebrate. We celebrate it outside. We make a makeshift home for ourselves and do some prayers. We have some meals. Sukkot kind of commemorates the years that we spent in the desert on our way to the promised land, those 40 years. And it just kind of celebrates the way in which God protected us under those conditions, not really having a home and being kind of these like wanderers, and really just having faith in God that He's going to get us to this promised land. So, Sukkot, this one, the ingredients are coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and then the essential oils in this one is lemon, lemongrass, myrtle, and mint. So that's going to be interesting. And I gotta say, I really like that these are twist tops. I find a lot of the time that the ones that pull off don't always pull off really well. So I really do appreciate the twist top. That's definitely bonus points for me. And we're gonna smell this. Definitely smelling the mint in this one. For me, that's what's coming out the most. And then it kind of, after a couple of seconds, it really hits you with that lemon. I think what we're gonna do too is when I do the full review on these, I'm definitely gonna describe the scents to you guys again, because a lot of the time it does smell different, whether you warm it up in the palm of your hands or you have it in your beard. It does end up smelling different once it's had a chance to kind of sit there and warm up and things like that. And even this cinnamon that I tried earlier, right now I'm smelling it, and it's I am liking it even more because the cinnamon just got a little bit lighter, and it's got this more deeper kind of scent to it in the palm of my hands. This stuff is just great. I cannot wait to try it. So then it looks like we've got a couple of bags here as well. I'm not sure what these are, but we're gonna open them right up. Okay, wow. This is not very often that you get. This looks like a 2-ounce bottle. I don't think it says on here. This is, let's look at a 1-ounce bottle. We'll grab some RDS Man. So this is a 1-ounce bottle. This has to be a 2-ounce bottle. Look how big that is compared to the RDS Man. That is, that's a lot of oil. So we're definitely going to discuss the price for this oil on the website, because a lot of the time, from what I've seen, not a ton of companies I've seen do these 2-ounce bottles, but a lot of time I do find when they do the 2-ounce bottles, it's less than 1.5 times the amount of, buying 2 1-ounce bottles, or right around that 1.5 time mark. So it ends up being a really good deal. So this one here, the ingredients are almond oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, essential oils of lavender, cedar, and bergamot. So this is, again, the Boker Tov. And I'm actually curious to see what the consistency of this oil is. Oh, that smells so great. We're gonna put some in the beard. This is definitely more on the medium side of like a light medium. It's definitely not a super light oil. I'm curious to see what this does for softening my beard, using it throughout the week. So we're going to talk about the scent for all of them. We're going to talk about the feel in beard after using it for a week, and we'll go through the pricing and website and everything like that as well. So there's another one here. This is going to be another beard oil. I'm guessing. I mean, that's just a guess. It could be some more chocolate, and then I could cry some more. But I think it's gonna be beard oil. So this one is King's Blessing beard oil. So this is actually different from. So I thought it was gonna be one of the scents from the Balms, but it looks like this beard oil is gonna be a little bit different from the balms that he sent. So this one is, the ingredients are almond oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and then the essential oils are jasmine and sage. So this should be interesting. I don't think I've ever had jasmine and sage. Look at that nice color. Oh, you know what? Let's get that dropper in here again so you can see. Look at that nice color. Such a nice yellow. And now I've got way too much beard oil in the palm of my hands, but that's okay. We're gonna try it anyway. This one feels a little bit more like a. I don't know if this was just blended differently, but definitely more of a medium. Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess that's what jasmine and sage smells like. Wow. I'm still getting some of that mint and cinnamon in the palm of my hand, so I think that's kind of mixing with the oils a little bit. But that just goes to show, you know, sometimes you can mix these oils together and kind of make your own scents. I've done it a few times before. I did it on our last live stream where I just kind of mixed together some oils of a company that we were doing a live stream for, and it was just so good mixing the scents together. I highly encourage you guys try that. If there's two scents you really, really like, mix them together, see how they smell. It might be something that you end up pouring into a different bottle and using every day. Guys, this is everything out of the box. Eitan, I just want to say again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for sending me these products. Thank you so much for the 2-hour chat that we had. I'm not the type of person that really likes talking on the phone or on video or anything like that. So, you know, when it when it's the person on the other end of the phone that's trying to get off the phone with me, that's a compliment to you from me. That I just had a really amazing time chatting with you, brother, and thank you so much for this experience. I can't wait to try out your products for the next week and tell everyone on my YouTube channel about you know, the quality of these products and what they will do for their beard. Thank you again so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Perfect.